How to log in Lovable account, Lovable app login. If you wish to log in to your Lovable account on the Lovable app, all you have to do is make sure to go ahead and then launch the Lovable application on your smartphone. As and when you've done that, right on the home page you can see the option called login. So all you have to do is just tap on the login button. Now you can see there are multiple ways to log into your account. The first is you can continue with your Google account, or you can continue with your GitHub account. Or under the email address bar, make sure to simply type in your email address that you wish to log in with and just tap the continue button. And after you've done that, if your Lovable account exists, it's going to prompt you to simply enter your password. And make sure to enter your password and tap the login button. If not, you'll be asked to create your account if an account with that email does not exist. So in that case, you can simply follow the prompts as well. But if you want to log in with Google, tap on continue with Google, and then you can simply select your Google account to successfully log into your Lovable app. This way you can log in Lovable app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.